Every year that goes by, the number of distractions for real estate investors grows. Those distractions are costing most investors millions of dollars in opportunities. In this video, we're going to talk about how elite investors do way more deals per year than everyone else. Let's go! I've had the opportunity to work with hundreds of investors over my career, and you begin to notice little things that differentiate those who do lots of deals per year and those who don't. One of those differences became clear to me after I was recently reading the book Essentialism by Greg McKeown. The basic premise of the book is to think about the single most important thing you do in this multifamily business. Then you score every little decision you have to make during the day, from tiny little decisions to great big decisions, and you score them from 0 to 100. If the decision to do something is below 90%, you don't do it. Some call it the hell yes or hell no decision. For elite investors that I track, what I've noticed is that the single most important thing they do in their business is trying to procure new deals. Think about it. What's more important? Finding equity is important, but you don't need equity if you don't have a deal. Finding debt is important. Managing property properly and adding value is important. I could go on, but you get the point. Elite investors are highly focused on procuring new deals. So as a result, they say no all the time to all kinds of other decisions. I notice mediocre investors, however, get easily distracted with all kinds of stuff. They're members of lots of clubs. They are board members on tons and tons of philanthropic organizations. They become presidents and vice presidents of various organizations that have nothing to do with procuring new deals. They allow meetings with lots of different people during the week that don't have anything to do with procuring new deals. They get distracted by alternative investments like buying a shopping center, and they don't buy those at all. Or sometimes they get distracted by other businesses to acquire that have nothing to do with real estate or procuring new deals. Elite investors have set up their personal and business lives to be as distraction-free as possible so they can be incredibly productive at that one thing. Every decision they make throughout the day, they are asking themselves, does this help me procure more deals? And if the answer is not hell yes or 90% certainty, then they don't do it. And let me tell you something dangerous that I've watched of investors who are growing in the ranks and becoming a little more successful. The more success those investors gain, the more others notice that success, and they begin wanting more of those investors' time for their endeavors that have nothing to do with procuring more deals. It can be difficult because we all like to feel wanted, but before you know it, you're spending 10 to 20 hours a month doing things that seemed important at the time, but all they are distractions from keeping you from procuring more deals. Once you begin to train your brain to notice these little periods of time that are throughout the day and throughout the week that are robbing you of that precious time to do that one most important thing, you will be amazed at what you can accomplish. Think about how if you can get your life set up so that all you do from the time you wake up till the time you hang it up at 5 or 6 o'clock at night is work on things that procure more deals, that actually procure more deals. It's powerful. I hope this video brought you some value, and if it did, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the notification bell so it notifies you when each video is available each week. See you guys on the next one.